Hello everyone, I am Eldos. Welcome to a new vlog of Tomato Traders. Today, I feel so very excited to introduce to you the world's most intelligent pressure pump ever made. That is the Grundfos Scala2. Before we get into the details, let's unbox it and have a look at the pump. So let's look at the box. So they have written the perfect water pressure, low noise, easy installation. Actually, this low noise is one of the main feature of this Scala pump. We'll discuss about it in a while. And if we look at the box sticker, we know it's an imported pump. The MRP is around 55,230. And this pictorial representation shows it's good for 3 floors and up to 8 taps at a time. So let's unbox and have a look. Grundfos Scala2. So we have the pump here, and there are some paperworks which help you through the installation of the pump. So we'll keep that aside and we'll have a look at the pump. So here's our majestic Scala2. If you look at it, it's an all-in-one package with the pump, motor, drives, NRV, sensors and everything. Everything in a small package. Scala2 from Grundfos is a 50,000 Indian rupees worth pump. So it's one of the most expensive pumps you can get in the market. So what makes it more expensive? It adjusts its performance to your needs. That's what makes the pump so special. There is an intelligent drive built into the motor. So what it does is, if only one tap or one point is open at a time, it adjusts the performance and consumption of the motor according to that. So in the same case, if you are going to open another tap or another point, it's going to vary the speed according to your needs and you will get a constant pressure in both the taps. I will list out some of the special features of the Scala pump. 1. Dry run protection. That means this pump will not work without water in its pump. So the second feature is, if there is a leakage in the line or if your tap is running for a long time, it will give you a warning. And if there is no water in the section, it will give you another warning. And if the pump is getting too hot, that will also give you a warning. So your pump will never fail. Scala2 is a self-priming pump with a maximum suction of 8 meters. So it's suitable for boosting from the mains, from the overhead tanks and also from the well. Since it's an X40 rated pump, it can be installed both indoors and outdoors. With the lowest noise level of 47 decibels, it's one of the silent pressure boosters you will ever find in the market. So I'll run you through the intelligent pump control. So basically they have an indicator here which they call them is an intelligent eye, and we have one up knob and a down knob to adjust the pressure levels, and a power button and reset button. And there are some warning lights which indicates if there is a fail in the power or there is a problem in the line. It will show an indicator here, then many more indicators just which shows the if the temperature is too hot. Like I said, if a tap or line is open for a long time, and if there is a leakage in the line, if there is no water in the tank. So it gives you almost all information you need. With just a total weight of 10 kilograms, this pump is just a wonder. There are many pressure pumps in the market, but Scala2 is one of its kind. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel.